Here I am with my new bike. I'm hoping to take it for a ride today. Let's see, it's nice and sunny. But guess what we're doing today? Or Torquil's actually doing it for me. I get to put the saddlebags on my new bike. I have a top rack. So here is the side rack. First we have a right and a left side to help with the bags. Well, you guys get the idea. And the top mount as well. But the best part about all this is check out my new saddlebags. Ooh. I love these.
Okay, but let's get going on this here. We need these off. I have a set of Allen wrenches here, and it's a Japanese motorcycle, so it's metric. It's a metric 6. That fit in there. Man, that's it's hard. Holy smokes. Break those easily. See, that screw was in there. It's kind of nice. Now both our motorcycles are metric formats. They kind of use the same tools. And then it has some spacers here. Some rubber spacers. Go under the rack. End. This little Honda Rebel here, that's a nice little machine. Fits Nicole perfect, you know. It's not too powerful. It's still a real motorcycle that I can get up and go. And with my, together with my Royal Enfield Classic 350, you know, the engine sizes are very similar, so they're very well matched now when we go on the road. It's not that either of us would be having way more engine power than the others. That's pretty good that they are so matched. Yep, that was the top rack. Okay, so let's do the side racks here. Get these screws off. Man, all this sets. It takes a lot to break them loose, these screws. The whole kit here came with all kinds of hardware. I'll just show you here. So all these fasteners here, screws and nuts and washers, they came with it. But I think we just used those that were with the motorcycle. easy install here. That's one mounted. Let's get the other. That is perhaps one of the easiest upgrades to the motorcycle. This is very, very simple. Coach, he ordered all this here from Amazon. That's one of the good things about the Honda Rebel. There are so many accessories you can get on Amazon for it. And it's not very expensive either. And this is ready for mounting. Okay, all the racks are on. Oh, look at that. How it's coming together. Yeah, that's good. I think it looks good.
I can ride it to work.
Yeah.